I presume the video got switched off in the middle. I repeat, cash to furniture was the correct entry. Cash to sales was the wrong entry. Sales to cash, reversal of the wrong entry. Cash debit, cash credit cancelled. The remainder residual debit is sales, residual credit furniture, and the error is removed. Okay, now we'll switch on to the next entry, the next type of error. See here, children, I take the first illustration of your textbook. It says credit sales to Arun rupees 7,000 were not recorded. The simplest of errors to be removed, error of omission, where the transaction has not been recorded. So no hassles. If it has not been recorded, we'll record it now. Credit sales to Arun, Arun to sales. The error has been removed. The entry was not recorded. We record it now. Credit purchase from Bridge, purchases to Bridge. Credit return, goods returned to Charu. Return to Charu means purchase return, not recorded. Charu to purchase return, record it now. Goods returned from Deepika were not recorded. Sales return, Deepika to sales return to Deepika, and the errors are removed when we record the error. That is the simplest way to record the error of omission, to remove the error of omission. The next illustration demonstrates the next type of error with the same transactions. Credit sales to Arun rupees 7,000 were recorded as 700. That means Arun to sales, the debit and the credit has been done, but with less amount. Debit is short by 6,300, credit is short by 6,300. So we'll debit Arun by 6,300, credit sales with the same amount, and the error is removed. That means, children, when the amount that is debited and credited is less, we find out the difference and pass the correct entry with the difference amount. 7,000 minus 700, that is 6,300. Arun to sales, correct entry with the correct amount, difference amount. Next, credit purchases from Bridge, purchases to Bridge, correct entry. It was 50,000 were recorded as 9,000 were recorded as rupees 900. That means short. Whenever the amount is short, कोई सोचना ही नहीं है, amount is short, correct entry, difference amount. 8,100 is the difference, correct entry, purchases to Bridge, difference 8,100. Goods returned to Charu 4,400, difference 3,600, Charu to purchase return 3,600. Goods returned from Deepika 1,000, recorded as 100, 900 का difference, sales returned to Deepika with rupees 900, and the error will be removed. This was error of omission, this was complete omission, this was partial omission when the amount is entered wrong, and the amount is entered wrong means it is entered less. When the amount is entered less in any account, the simplest transaction to solve will be correct entry, difference amount. Now next type of error revealed in illustration 3 with the same transaction, little more advancement. Credit sales to Arun, right, Arun to sales, were recorded, it is for 7,000 and recorded as 7,200. That means it is recorded as 7,200. That means किया तो Arun to sales है, but Arun to sales 7,200 कर दिया. That means Arun is also added by 200 and sales also added by 200. तो क्या करेंगे, अकाउंट तो कम कर नहीं सकते हम. We will reverse the entry Arun to sales with the difference, with rupees 200. I repeat, when the amount is more, when you take amount is taken less, I'll write it here and show you. When the amount taken less, this is the error. The amount is taken as less, then you pass the correct entry with the difference. But when the amount taken is more, what do? you will reverse the entry. Reverse the entry with the difference. See here, it was Arun to sales should have been 7,000. And what has been done? We have done Arun to sales 7,200. What do we do now? We will reverse the entry. Sales, reverse the entry. Sales to Arun with the difference 7,200 minus 7,000. That means 200. And the error is removed. This is the rectifying entry. The error is removed. Clear? Now, proceeding to the next question here, where little more advancement, where credit sales to Arun, correct Arun to sales, were recorded in the purchase book. किया तो sales है, credit sales to Arun. Credit sales to Arun means correct entry should have been Arun to sales. And what has been done? The wrong entry is purchase has been recorded in the purchase book. Purchase book means purchases has been debited. Purchases to Arun. What is the method that we do? Wrong entry ka reverse. Reverse of wrong entry will be Arun to purchases. This is the reverse of the wrong entry. We pass the correct entry, we pass the wrong entry, reverse the wrong entry, and compare the correct and the reversed entry. Now what do we get here? Arun has been debited here, Arun has been debited here. Here also Arun has been debited with 7,000, and this is also 7,000. That means Arun will be debited with rupees 14,000. 7,000 here, 7,000 here. Arun will be debited with rupees 14,000. Two sales cancel तो कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा. There is nothing, no clash account, no account to be cancelled. Two sales account 7,000. Two purchases account 7,000, and the error is removed. This is the rectification entry. This is the rectification entry. So what do we do here? It is a compound entry, but the error is removed. We have debited the account twice, which has not been debited. We have debited the account that was wrongly debited, wrongly credited. We have credited the account that was wrongly debited. We have credited the account that should have been, that was wrongly debited. We have credited that account, and the error is removed. Clear? Now proceeding to the next advancement. Next children, next I take here sales, illustration 8. Sales of rupees 200 to Manoj. Sales to Manoj. That means Manoj to sales rupees 200. That is the correct entry. Wait. Here now. Sales of 200 to Manoj. That means the entry will be Manoj to sales rupees 200. That is the correct entry. Were recorded as 2,000 in the sales book. It was recorded 2,000 in the sales book. So that means what has been done? Manoj to sales rupees 2,000 has been done. In the sales book means subsidiary book. So that means both the accounts. That is the error of omission in both the entry. That means subsidiary book means that means from the scratch in both the accounts. So Manoj to sales rupees 2,000. So that means Manoj account has been over added by rupees 1,800 and sales account has been over added with rupees 1,800. So what do we do? The rectifying entry will become reverse of the wrong entry. That is what I told you here. Rectifying entry, when the entry amount is taken less, the entry will be reversed. Reverse the correct entry. Sales to Manoj with the difference 1800. When the amount is taken more, we reverse the wrong entry and pass the difference. 2000 minus 200, 1800. Sales account debited with 1800. See what was required to be done, children. Manoj was to be debited with 200. And what has been done? We have debited Manoj with 2000. तो 1800 से credit कर दो उसको and the error is removed. Sales was to be debited with 200, but sales by mistake was debited with 2000. तो 1800 से debit कर दो उसको. It is clear, it is done, and the error is removed. Then next comes to when goods of rupees 300 taken by proprietor, that means drawings, they have been entered in the purchase book. They have not been entered in the purchase book. Not been entered in the purchase book means very simple. We will enter it now. Drawings to purchases. Drawings to purchases. Third, C. Goods of the value of rupees 400 returned to Ashok. Goods have been returned to Ashok means purchase return. We have purchased from Ashok. We are returning it to. To always means purchase return. From means sales return. No entry has been made. Arey, no entry. Simplest. Ashok to purchase return. Pass the entry. उसके बाद next, a check of rupees 400 received from Shiv Prasad. Check is received from Shiv Prasad. Bank to Shiv Prasad was dishonored. Dishonored means Shiv Prasad will be debited. The entry is reversed and debited to discount account. So it should have been Shiv Kumar's account, but we have done discount account. So Shiv Kumar not done. कर दो debit उसको. And discount account नहीं करना था, debit credit the discount allowed. So it will be Shiv Kumar, which has not been Shiv Prasad or Shiv Kumar, whatever, to discount. The account that has not been done and the account that has been wrongly debited. We credit this account and this is the rectifying entry. Next, an amount of 600 due from Harish Brothers. Harish Brothers, that means it is due from Harish Brothers, which has been written off as bad debts in the previous year, was unexpectedly recovered. Okay, unexpectedly recovered means cash to bad debts recovered and has been credited to personal account of Harish. Okay, it should have been cash to bad debts recovered, but we have done Harish to Harish account. We have done cash account to Harish account. So Harish Brothers will be debited and bad debts recovered will be credited. Bill of rupees 820 received from Ramesh for the repairs to machinery. We have received the bill from Ramesh. It should have been repairs to Ramesh, was entered in the purchase book और हमने कर दिया purchase book. It will be, see here, bill has been received from Ramesh. It will be repairs. अगर repairs to cash होता तो repairs to cash we would have done, but we are getting it, हमने देना है. Bill has been received means we have not yet paid. It is to Ramesh. This is the correct entry. But what have been done? We have entered it in the purchase book. We have entered in. Acha, it is rupees. The amount also is wrong. The Ramesh account, it will be with. It has to be with bill for Ramesh 820, and we have entered in the purchase book as 720. So पहले तो purchase book to purchases 720. Purchases was debited. Now we will credit purchases with 720. Ramesh had to be debited with a 720. We have done it with 820. तो 100 rupees से credit कर दो. We had to debit Ramesh with rupees 720. We have debited Ramesh with rupees 820 wrongly. तो 100 से debit उसको credit कर दो. And repairs will the total amount. Repairs of rupees 820. The error will be removed. This is the rectifying entry for F transaction. Done.